Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of the unboxing. So today guys, we're gonna be unboxing some JDM parts for you guys. So let's take a look at what we're unboxing today. Let's start with the smallest pieces. First off guys, you can see that we have an assortment of original Toyota Gazoo Racing stickers over here. So we have the black version, white version, and then there's this sticker pack, also from Toyota Gazoo Racing. And then we have this small badge.
Wow.
And then we have this one. What is that? So we have this warning.
Aluminum etched
Okay.
badge.
Next is this one guys. It says there, switch, push, start. This is an OEM part. And what makes this so special is that it has a red logo, OEM. Then next we have these T-carbon key covers. So here is the T-carbon key cover, and this is made out of real carbon fiber. That's why it's super light. And check out the quality, very nice. There's also this red version, also very nice. So with these T-carbon cases, you can buy it with these straps, so they are also color matched. Since I really like this one, we're gonna do an install real quick with the GR YARIS key, like that, and then it literally falls into place like that, and then it snaps into place there. So this is the final product when the T-carbon case is installed. So now the key looks very nice. Now we're gonna be unboxing these three big boxes. So for the first box on the table, you might know where it's from. So here it says Rotheli. This is Rotheli from RotheliRacing, and he's pretty known in the GR YARIS community for building one of the most well-built GR YARISes out there. So let's open this box and see what he has sent over. Okay, so I think this is the oil cooler that Phil Rotheli has created himself. So this kit is going to be a bolt-on kit to the GR YARIS. He even sent over some stickers, so thanks for that, Phil. This is the sandwich plate, and then
Bracket.
this is the bracket, and those are some hardware for installation. And here are the high quality hoses. Look at these fittings, very high quality. And then here is the oil cooler, which I believe is a Setrab core. So let's check it out. Yeah, see, it says Setrab. So let's pull it out and see the quality.
Nice.
It's black. I'm not sure if this is powder coated, but yeah, very smooth finish. And you can see here, it's a Setrab core, made in EU. So this part goes right behind
Somewhere here.
there. So yeah, it's gonna be somewhere behind there. This is actually a set. Although they are sold separately, they are two pieces that come together. So let's open this big box first so that we can show you guys what's inside. So I don't know if you guys have noticed or are familiar with this logo. It says Garage VARY. this is the rear diffuser for the GR Yaris. So it comes with this instruction manual, some hardware for installation. Don't mind the background noise because it started raining, but here it is. Garage VARY, made in Japan. So here it is, guys. The Garage VARY rear diffuser for the GR Yaris. So let's take a look at how it's going to fit at the rear. So it's going to be replacing the stock gloss black trim, and this is how it fits basically. So you might be wondering, what about this part, the part over here? So that's where the other box comes into play, because that's why I said it's a kit, right? So here's the other piece, guys, of the Garage VARY rear diffuser. It says here Garage VARY as well. So this is also made out of fiberglass, and this attaches to the bottom side of that one. This is actually optional, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Let's flip it over and see the rear. So as you can see, it's a smooth panel. So yeah, with vents over here, it's gonna look like that when it's installed. Let's fit this part to the rear of the GR Yaris. So this goes to the center middle part of the rear, like that. So it's gonna look something like that. Guys, if you pair the two together, the two pieces together, it's gonna look something like this. So the rear fog lamp goes here in the middle, and then that's basically how it's gonna look like. So imagine all of that in black. It's gonna look super good, and then the exhaust tips come out on both sides. Guys, apologies for the background noise. It started raining so hard. But anyway, here is the summary of what we have unboxed today. So we have the Garage VARY rear diffuser kit. So it's a two-piece kit, and this is basically what you get. And then we have the Toyota Gazoo Racing stickers, and then we have the RotheliRacing Oil Cooler kit, and then the GR engine start button, and then we have the T-Carbon key cover. And then we have that security badge over there and the Gazoo Racing badge. So here's what we've unboxed. So guys, that's it for this week's unboxing. We hope that you enjoyed this video. And again, sorry for the background noise. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more GR Yaris future content. So yeah, we'll see you guys next time. See ya. Bye.